Hi, I'm Karla Dennis, the CEO of Karla Dennis and Associates Inc. And I am so excited that you guys have joined my tax reduction strategy program, my class and master course. You made a great decision today to change your financial picture, to lower your income taxes. Wow, I am really excited that you made this decision to put some cash back in your pocket and reduce your tax bill. Let's get started here. First things first, a little disclaimer. This training is informational purposes only. It does not constitute legal or professional advice. You are encouraged to consult with a licensed professional, enrolled agent, or CPA if you have specific questions relating to any of the topics covered in this presentation. With that being said, if you do have questions, reach out to us at 1-800-878-4051. We will be happy to answer your questions. All right, let's go. I am Karla Dennis, and I am your instructor. I am a licensed enrolled agent. I am known as a tax and business strategist. I have been featured in Forbes magazine. I also have written 2 books, Tax Storm and Against the Odds with Karla Dennis. I have a master's in taxation. I have been in KTLA News, Yahoo Finance. I consider myself an expert in taxes, but most importantly, I'm an educator. I want to teach you how to reduce your tax bill, and I'm excited that you've decided to join me and really be here to learn something today. We're going to sit back, we're going to relax. I'm going to make this easy breezy for you. It's a lot of good information, but I'm going to break it down in those little bitty steps so that you can get it and you can really get some great value out of your course. So let's get started. Here's what to expect. I think it's so important that you know what you're going to get from this course, and you're going to get quite a bit of information. First, we have 6 powerful, educated, packed lessons with golden nuggets of the tax code in all 6 of these lessons. Lesson number 1 is going to talk about income shifting. And you don't know what that is yet, but I am going to teach you. So please don't worry. Lesson number 2, we're going to talk about income splitting. Lesson number 3, how to turn a hobby into a small business. Lesson number 4, what entity should you select? I know you have a lot of questions out there about entities. Lesson number 5, we're going to talk about tax credits. And lesson number 6, maximize business deductions by making ordinary expenditures a business deduction. That's going to be a huge lesson. And if you notice, I put maximize, I capitalized that and I lowercase that I on purpose because I really want to emphasize the word max. That's really important that we maximize that. All right. So first and foremost, my number one rule is follow the tax code and do everything with integrity. That is very important to me as an individual, the CEO of a company, and as a licensed tax professional, that you are doing everything with integrity when it comes to your taxes, when it comes to the tax code. And I can certainly tell you that with all of the great golden nuggets in the code, all you have to do is use the code. Use the code, stay in integrity, and let's lower your tax bill. So my number 1 rule, follow the code and stay in integrity. Always remember that. All right. Everything in tax reduction starts with a goal. How can we move forward without a goal? It is very important that we establish what your goals are in regards to this tax reduction that you want to accomplish. We can certainly lower your tax bill, but we want to lower that tax bill according to your goals. And that is very important that we outline those goals. And we're going to talk about that in greater detail. You need to understand your vision, what you want to accomplish before you can reduce your tax bill. So remember I said we were going to talk about goals in further details? Your goals are going to be a direct correlation to what your vision is, what you're trying to accomplish. What do you want to get done for yourself financially? What is it that you want to do? Are you the person that perhaps is looking to acquire some real estate, grow some wealth for your family? Is that your vision? Is that what it's going to look like for you at the end of the day? If that's the case, then we have to write down goals to mirror your vision. We have to write down goals to mirror your vision. And I am going to be further helping you develop this as we move forward. But for right now, I want you to start thinking, what is my vision? What do I want to accomplish? What are my goals? And you know what? It's okay if right now you don't know exactly what they are. It's okay. We are in a learning mode here. You are going to be able to go back and redo your lessons. So just know it's going to be important as we move forward. Start thinking, jotting that down so that we have a direction to put you in. And you're going to continue to understand why as we move forward together. Make sense? All right. So very important that we do that. Why is that important? Let me tell you why it's important. Because people will come to me a lot of times and they will say, Karla, I want to lower my tax bill. And I will say, okay, I can help you with that. But what if you need to qualify to purchase a home? And maybe your goal is you need to get that home and your vision is to have a home for your family, some rental properties, but you want to lower your taxes. And I've lowered your income and I've lowered your taxes. And I've helped you reduce your tax bill, but I'm not going to help you with your vision because maybe, just maybe, my lowering your taxes and lowering your income has prevented you from qualifying for that home purchase. Your income is now too low to qualify for the home purchase. And did we meet the goal of lowering your tax bill? Yes, we met that goal. But did we meet your vision of home ownership? No, we did not. That is why your vision has to marry with your goals, and together we can reduce your tax bill. It is so important that I know the vision and I know the goal so that my advice gets you where you need to go and you're ultimately happy with what it is that you're trying to accomplish. That's very, very important. So one thing that I am going to ask you to do is complete your goal sheet. In your training panel, you're going to see your tax reduction program planner. Inside of that planner is going to be a lot of things that you need to accomplish. But the very first thing that I'm going to ask you to do for me is to write down your goals. That's the very first thing. Now, I want to give you a couple of tips when it comes to writing down your goals. Tip number one, don't think you have to be perfect the first time. I think we spend so much time trying to perfect everything that we do that we never get anything done. That goal sheet, you may write that goal sheet multiple times, but the key here is I need you to get something down on your goal sheet. And as you go through my tax reduction strategy program, I'm going to guarantee you that some of your goals might just change as I begin to educate you, as I begin to provide you with more information, and as you begin to get clarity and really get more confidence in seeing your vision come true, your goals to get there may change a little bit. So be okay with the fact that we are going to be maybe modifying some of your goals as you go along, but start to write those goals down. Very important. If you have any questions, you can give our office a call at 1-800-878-4051. Again, I am Karla Dennis. I am your instructor for this course. I'm so excited you chose this class, this mastery course on tax reduction strategy. Today is the first day that you have made a strategic decision to change your financial world, and you're going to be so glad that you did. I cannot wait for you to join me on the other side and our first training module. I'm looking forward to it. Get those goals written down for me, and I will see you on the other side. Looking forward to it.